With reference premier speakers from Klipsch, seat-shaking, cinema-like sound is all yours. How? Let's start with some basics. A 5.1 setup is the most common home theater speaker configuration. 5.1 stands for 5 full-range speakers, plus a subwoofer to handle the low frequencies. The speakers are arranged in the room to put you in the middle of the action. As you watch a movie, the sounds move from speaker to speaker, following any movement on the screen. Putting the right speakers in the right places is important. That's the key to a powerful, accurate home theater setup. Simply put, if a sound is supposed to occur beside or behind you, it doesn't sound realistic if it comes from the front. Same for dialogue. If it comes from behind you when you watch the screen, that just doesn't make sense. For optimal results, place the center speaker with the TV. Now you're localizing all of the critical movie dialogue to the screen, where it belongs. Then place the surround speakers to your sides or just behind you. Make sure that the left speakers are on your left and the right speakers are on your right, as viewed from your favorite spot. You can place a subwoofer almost anywhere in the room, but ideally, it should be placed in a corner or against a wall to maximize its output. Experiment with different locations to find the sound you prefer. Of course, there are more configurations beyond 5.1 that take the home cinema experience even further. Adding additional subwoofers, rear surrounds, or even Dolby Atmos-enabled speakers can bring new dimensions to your movie watching enjoyment. From small, premium listening spaces to large media rooms, with over 1,000 system combinations, there's a reference premier solution for any format. For big home theater sound that's as elegant as it is powerful, explore the entire line of Klipsch reference premier speakers today. Klipsch, keepers of the sound.
Movies, music, and games deliver the ultimate escape. Now, you can have the ultimate sound experience to go with it. The Yamaha YHT-4930 Home Theater System. The YHT-4930 boasts powerful high-definition sound that surrounds you, making every scene more real, every song more intense, and every play more extreme. The centerpiece of the system is the powerful 5.1 channel surround sound RX-V383 receiver, which boasts Bluetooth, 4K Ultra HD video, Dolby Vision, and hybrid log gamma compatibility. The RX-V383 is seamlessly matched with an outstanding 5.1 channel speaker system that features a powerful 6.5-inch 100-watt powered subwoofer. The YHT-4930 system also includes the Yamaha Parametric Acoustic Optimizer, which analyzes the acoustics of the room and calibrates your system for the best sound imaginable. Make your escape to the ultimate entertainment experience with the YHT.
Play some music.
Introducing a new dimension in premium cinema-inspired surround sound. The VIZIO Home Theater Sound System with Dolby Atmos. Revolutionary upward-firing speakers from VIZIO that leverage the latest advances in breakthrough Dolby sound technology to generate extraordinarily immersive audio that moves all around you with astonishing realism. The VIZIO Home Theater Sound System elevates your entertainment to new heights with dedicated upward-firing speakers built into the main soundbar, as well as the rear speakers. These innovative multi-directional speakers project a powerful dome of dynamic sound that envelops you from every direction, even from above. Add in VIZIO's newly redesigned wireless subwoofer for even greater room-shaking depth, and you'll experience a new standard in cinema-inspired surround sound that's breathtakingly immersive. The VIZIO Home Theater Sound System is Dolby Vision compatible and supports 4K, HDR10, and other HDR standard content. Chromecast is also built in. Cast your favorite music and podcasts from Chromecast-enabled apps on your phone to any other speaker or soundbar in the house that supports Chromecast. And with VIZIO SmartCast or Google Home apps, you can easily manage and control soundbars and speakers. And thanks to built-in voice support for Google Assistant, you can control the VIZIO Home Theater Sound System using just your voice. Bring your home theater entertainment to life like never before with stunningly immersive sound that flows above and around you and takes you deeper inside the action. The VIZIO Home Theater Sound System. Welcome.
Hey Google, play hip hop on the living room receiver.